You're not going to do it now. So fucking cute. I really hope the camera's picking this up.